Starting a business feels really exciting until you realize that how many steps are involved. It could be entity formation, licenses, what documents are needed, and innumerable of things that are very much required. And all this is very overwhelming. But now is your time to think, what if you had a step-by-step breakdown of what all you need, the steps, the roadmaps, and whatever documents are required? Because Para does that for you. So before I move ahead into the video, please make sure you like, share, subscribe so that you're always updated. And let's start. Just open your search console and type in app.legalmente.ai. If you have not signed up yet, then all you have to do is just visit app.legalmente.ai/sign up. And if you already are an existing user, then you just have to log in. I will just go on the left console and click on Guide Me to Start a Business. So here I have to just mention the business type that I'm looking for. It could be EG or LLC or corporation, and which state it should be in. I'll just copy the prompt. I will add the details. Let us say it's a burger shop and it could be in, let us say, Texas. Country is USA. And I'll just hit enter. And that's a ta-da! Para has mentioned me with the step-by-step guide outlining the whole process to start a burger shop cafe in Texas. It has initial planning and market research. It also has asked me to choose a business structure. It could be LLC, corporation, or it could be a sole proprietorship. I have to register my business and obtain an EIN. EIN is Employer Identification Number. Then I have to have a secure location that is complying with the zoning laws. I have to obtain the permits, licenses, and inspections because this is a food industry and there are a lot of things that are required. Para has also suggested me with the right financial planning, funding, and insurance. It has also given inputs about setting up operations, marketing, timeline review, and obviously final preparations and launch. Most people give up because they are not aware of where to even start. So there are thousands of dreams that are just burning off and they do not go ahead because it's all lost. So instead of 100 tabs on your Google, you can just visit Legalmente AI and ask your questions with Para with the simplest prompts. So even if it's a coffee shop, or a bakery or any kind of online business, Para gives you a legal and a business startup checklist that is very much tailored to your specific industry. So if you have been sitting on a business idea, you can start off your business, your dreams with this just single prompt. All you have to do is just visit app.legalmente.ai/sign up. You can sign yourself up for free as well. Para is highly affordable, starting just from $9 a month, and it also comes with the money back guarantee. If you like this video, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.